and then you have command and control. And then I go down the body, because to me, this is, in my mind, this is the most logical way that the warfighting functions will work. Okay, because again, intelligence drives operations, and then you receive command and control, and then it gets filtered down. Okay, so you have the heart. To me, the heart is logistics. Okay, it's a blood that pumps. It's a blood flow that pumps to all the extremities. Okay, because we're going to have other extremities that are warfighting functions. So to me, this is logistics. Okay, it's also known as the blood flow. Okay, because it sends those supplies out to everybody. Okay, it sends them out to fires. Okay, sends them out to maneuver. Sends it out to. Also, I consider this logistics. Okay, sends it out to all the other agencies. So what I have here is fires and maneuver. Okay, who's ever heard the term that maneuver without fires is suicide, fires without maneuvers is pointless? Okay, a couple of us that may have heard that term. If I was you, I'd probably write that down. That way it makes sense. Okay, you're always going to have fires and maneuver in combination. And to me, I'm just thinking, like, if I'm getting in a fight, I'm throwing fires and maneuver out there. Okay, and then you have logistics, the blood flow, pumping all those supplies to the needed extremities or the function that they need to operate. Okay, and then to me, legs is the, to be able to move and sustain a force. So that's logistics. Okay, and then you have force protection. Force protection to me is maybe that clothing you're wearing to protect all these functions. Okay, so you have some sort of clothing or outerwear. If you want to consider that your skin, okay, it's protecting all those functions. But to me, that is force protection, because it's a proactive measure to protect the force or protect all these functions. So I kind of had the same mindset as a lot of you when you were, you're briefing the Marine back there when his dress blues, and then the boxer. Okay, so to me, this is the way I see it. So intelligence drives operations. Okay, then you have C2, which is command and control, that filters down all that information and delegates and tasks to all the fires agencies, the maneuver, the logistics, and then you have logistics that also pumps the blood flow through all those other functions. Okay, so that's the way I thought about it. So go ahead and take your seats. We'll go ahead and continue on with the class.